Kenosan is a very strong alkaline detergent produced by Sidlines and Ecolab company with a very high content of surfactants, giving the optimal cleaning performance in the field. With cleaning and disinfection, we want to reduce the general infection pressure on farm level, and by reducing infection pressure, we can avoid the use of antibiotics, we can avoid antibiotic resistance and residues of antibiotics in animal products. By improving cleaning and disinfection processes on farm level, we can improve the general biosecurity level as well, and that means less treatments, less disease, and better production results. We still see in the field that quite some farmers are just using water and high pressure to clean their farm buildings. With just water, we know you can reduce around 40% of the dirt that is still there after removing the animals. If we add a detergent in our cleaning process, then we know we can remove the dirt up to 90% or even more with that efficient cleaning process. In pig farming, we have a lot of feces. Feces are sticky and greasy dirt. We want to remove them with our alkaline detergent. We recommend a good foaming product because foam is visual, you see what you do. It gives a longer contact time, so a better working action in the end. And on top of that, it gives a better attachment on different types of materials and vertical surfaces. That's how foam is helping us to get a pig farm clean.
With our CITA foam tester, we compared the creation of the foam and the stability of the foam during time. With Kenosan, we showed that we create 35% more foam than competition, and the foam stays 60 minutes stable in time.